Have you ever reacted too emotionally to something small and then later you thought कि अरे मैंने ये चीज़ इतनी सिंपल चीज़ को इतना ओवर रिएक्ट क्यों किया? Then my dear, let me tell you, that was not you reacting, that was your inner child reacting. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about healing your inner child. तो पहले समझते हैं ये इनर चाइल्ड कॉन्सेप्ट बेसिकली है क्या. तो इनर चाइल्ड इज़ बेसिकली दैट वर्जन ऑफ योर सेल्फ दैट स्टिल लिव्स इनसाइड यू. ये बेसिकली वो वर्जन है जिसको सब ने बचपना समझ के इग्नोर किया है, इंक्लूडिंग यू. सो व्हेन यू वर अ लिटिल किड और आप जब टीनेजर थे तब when you started expressing yourself, whenever you gave your opinions, so you were labeled as either dumb, stupid or too emotional. But let me tell you, you were just a kid who wanted love, safety and affection from parents, from friends और जो भी जिसको आप क्लोज मानते थे. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली जिन लोगों को आप क्लोज मानते थे उनसे ही कभी आपको ये चीज़ें मिल नहीं पाई. एंड देन आपके माइंड ने बाउंड्रीज सेट की. You stopped expressing yourself in front of these people. Now you either hate them or you just don't feel any attachment towards them. And let me tell you, nothing of it was your fault. You were just a kid. So now let's see how this affects your adult life. So now whenever you try to express yourself in front of anyone, your brain constantly cross checks. आपके दिमाग में ये सवाल हमेशा आते हैं कि अरे विल दे लेबल मी, विल दे जज मी, विल दे कॉल मी स्टूपिड, सेम जैसे उन लोगों ने कहा था, सेम जैसे वो लोगों ने मुझे सपोर्ट नहीं किया था. ठीक वैसे ही आपके मन में ये सवाल आते हैं एंड आपके मन में यही डर बैठा हुआ है. इसके लिए यू नेवर एक्सप्रेस योर सेल्फ इन फ्रंट ऑफ एनीवन और यू रेयरली एक्सप्रेस योर सेल्फ इन फ्रंट ऑफ एनीवन. जो आपको मन से जेन्युइन लगता है उसके सामने ही आप खुद को एक्सप्रेस कर पाते हैं. नाउ यू आर जस्ट सीन एज अरे ये बचपन में काफ़ी मस्ती किया करता था, अभी ये काफ़ी शांत हो गया है, अभी ये किसी से बात भी नहीं करता ज़्यादा. समटाइम्स द इमोशनल आउटबर्स्ट्स, द ओवर थिंकिंग, द एंगर, that's not you being crazy, that's just your mind trying to protect you because nobody else did. So now you must be wondering, what should I do now? And trust me, आपको इस चीज़ का रियलाइजेशन है. दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट बिग स्टेप. I mean, that is the reason probably you're watching this video right now or you search for it. Anyways, reparent yourself, validate yourself. जो चीज़ें आपको बचपन में नहीं मिली जैसे लव, वैलिडेशन, गिव दैट टू योर सेल्फ नाउ. जर्नल इट बिकॉज जर्नलिंग ऑफन हेल्प्स. वैलिडेट योर ईच एंड एवरी इमोशन. इफ यू आर फीलिंग एंग्री then write it down. Ask yourself, why am I feeling this way? What is the reason? What was the trigger? Ask yourself each and everything. Validate your each and every emotion and then write it down. Study yourself because this will help you to understand yourself better. Or if you can afford therapy, go to a therapist. See therapist. It will help you gain confidence and trust me, you will learn yourself, you will know yourself better. A lot of things will change. Now when you validate your emotions, writing them down, you feel understood, you feel heard, you feel seen. Now you are more confident, more rooted, and now you don't need anyone to validate your emotion. You don't need a second opinion on anything just because you're confident with yourself. And that's what you called as healing. It's the first step to be the version that you want, that is inside your head, that you want to become. Because now you realized you were never broken, you were just unheard. Now you see yourself, you validate your each and every emotion. Now you feel heard. Let this video be your sign to start. Because healing does not have to be loud. It can be soft, quite gentle, just like you. And do let me know in the comment section below what your inner child needs to hear right now. And don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until then, see you. Bye.